burning smell from AC? Here are 5 common causes and how to fix it. You might smell something burning when you turn the heat on for the first time during the heating season, or after several months of disuse. Dust that settles in the ducts and on the furnace's heating components burns off when the furnace is turned on. The smell usually dissipates quickly, but you might consider having your ducts and HVAC system professionally cleaned. 5 reasons why your AC smells like burning. Reason number 1, worn out bearings. An HVAC technician can usually resolve this issue by lubricating the motor bearings. However, the motor might need to be replaced if too much damage has been done to the bearings or motor. Reason number 2, dirty air filter. Air filters trap dust, pet hair, lint, and other contaminants in your home's air to improve air quality and keep your HVAC system clean and performing well. How often to change an air filter depends on different factors, but they should be changed regularly, at least 4 times a year, or they become clogged with debris and restrict airflow through the system. Restricted airflow forces the blower motor to work harder to push air through the system, and the motor can overheat. A burning smell can come from an overheating blower motor or a dust-coated heat exchanger. An overheated motor is one issue you can resolve yourself by changing the air filter if it appears dirty or hasn't been changed in the last 3 months. If the filter is clean, or if the burning smell continues after replacing the filter, there is some other issue that needs professional attention. Reason number 3, damaged capacitor. A damaged capacitor is a serious issue that requires immediate professional help. Shut off your air conditioner until a technician inspects it. The capacitor or motor might need to be replaced. Reason number 4, electrical issues. Electrical issues are serious and potentially dangerous. Electrical problems can damage other system components or start a fire. Immediately turn off the air conditioner and call an HVAC service. Reason number 5, overheating motor. In some cases, the issue can be resolved without replacing the motor, but a motor that overheats due to age typically needs to be replaced.